Hi, Rusty Cody here. I'm here to do these videos about my 1979 400 Ford engine and my 94 Mustang. And I'm just doing these to share my experience with the rebuild and also to pass on a little bit of knowledge and hopefully gain some knowledge from all your comments. In this video, I'm just going to show you all the parts that I collected in the last, say, 2 years, and I'm also going to show you the car. Okay, first part, the MSD Blaster 2 coil. Now I bought all these parts at my local machine shop. They also sell all the high performance parts. Alright, so we also got the MSD ignition digital, the 6AL. It's got a rev limiter on it, and it comes with the wiring harness and all the hardware you need there to hook it up. And it's got the instructions there with it too, so it should be quite easy to hook that up. It's got diagrams and everything in there so you know how to hook it up. And I also got the MSD distributor, and it's the mechanical advanced one. There's no vacuum on this one, as you can see. And it also comes with the different springs, so you can speed up your advance. And it also has got the bushings in it right there, so you can limit your advance timing. So that's pretty good. Now what else? So we got the ComCam locks for the valves, for the heads I got, and ComCam retainers. You see that? Okay. And ComCam lifters. Awesome. And I also have, let's see, ComCam springs. Now these are the double springs. I'll take a minute and have a look at them now. Let's see. Oh yeah. They got the double spring in it. And I guess the one on the inside is just so that the other one doesn't bind up on the one on the outside, I guess. So that's pretty cool. And we also got a ComCam. Right there. And I'll show you the sticker on it so you get a little bit of information. It'll give you all the grind number, part number, and whatever else. Okay. And I got a set of ComCam rocker arms right there. These are pretty cool. I think I spent more on these than I spent on the car. Yeah, these are pretty cool. Alright. And they also come with the locking bolts right here. And I also got a, let's see right here. Also got a rocker arm guide plate kit from Green Cabs.
The type of heads that I have, you don't have to get them machined. You can buy this kit and you just bolt right on. And it's got the little guide plate and stud. And these are the little things that the push rods go up in between. And there's a big locking nut on it there, so for installing them into the heads. Very similar to the ones here on the in the rocker arms. And that's it for the new parts. Now I'll show you some used parts that I got. I'll get rid of this right here first. Alright, this is a set of heads that I bought in PEI. As you can tell, these are the closed chamber type. These are 351 Cleveland heads that came off a 1971 Mustang. And they're got the big intake openings. And of course, big exhaust. And I'll show you the 4 on it. There's a 4 on these for a 4V. Fuck, these are heavy. You can see that there. There it is. It's got the little 4 right there. That means that they're 4V. Let's see what else. Oh, you can't see the cast number on it. It's alright. Too much oil. And it also came with the original covers. I'm hoping I'm going to use these. Might just paint them up, clean them up, and paint them up. And somebody also told me that you can convert your 351M to a 400, because that's what my engine was first when I first bought it. So I bought a 400 crank. Show you the crank now. Crank. Let's see, where's the number on this? I had the crank reground at the machine shop, so it's all ready to go. Just trying to find the number. Oh, there it is. There we go. Put it in there now. That's the number right there, 5MAB. That's the cast number for the 400 crank. And the only other thing that you got to change on it is the pistons to make it a 400. And it's really hard to find pistons. So if anybody got any information out there about how or where I can get some pistons for my 400 Ford engine, please do so. Alright, now let's go see the car. Okay, so this is my 94 Mustang. As you can tell, it's still got the old V6 in it. And later on now this summer, I'll be pulling this out, and I guess I'll do a video when I go on how to yank this thing out. And I got this car off this guy around the bay, we'll say, for $200. So it was the right price. And as you can tell, it's not too bad there on the outside, we'll say. You got a broken mirror here. You know, it's not too bad until you get to the back. I'll show you the back now. Now, here's the trunk, or say lack of trunk. All that there rusted. The unibody, that's all pretty well fucking rusted. However, the previous owners who had this car before, they didn't feel that they should fix it properly, so they used foam and filled in all the holes. Idiots. Anyway, I got to fix all that. And as you can tell, she's pretty well shot underneath. You know. That's okay, I'll fix all that. It's no big deal. And the interior. The interior's not too bad. That's all coming out too. So we can get at the floor and fix up the floor. And do whatever other work that's got to be done to it. So yeah, that's the Mustang. And now for something completely different. Just fucking sick! Okay, so what I'm going to do here is, I'm going to show you how to mix up a cocktail and play one of my favorite songs. But first of all, I'd like to mention and thank a very special person, my former Bondra girl, beautiful girl she is. She gave me the name Rustang for obvious reasons. And she also showed me the this app for making all these cocktails. And I was talking to her a couple of weeks ago, and I told her I was making this video, and I asked her to choose the first drink, and so she chose a tequila sunrise. So let's get right to it now. I was going to show you all the ingredients that you're going to need now, and you're going to need orange juice, grenadine, some ice, and you'll need a shaker, cocktail shaker, and of course tequila. And this stuff is called El Jimador. I guess that's how you would pronounce it. And oh yeah, she told me to get this. Make sure it's 100%, she said, because that's the good stuff. Okay, what you're going to need to do is, okay, you just get some ice, put it in the shaker, and oh yes, we got a very special glass here too. We got a Newfie Jigger, and it's got all the different types of shots you can get on it. It's got like a wimp shot, brave shot, daring shot, dangerous shot, and of course, the very top is the fucking Newfie shot. So, what we're going to have in ours is, well, we're going to go above the wimp shot, in between the wimp shot and the brave shot. Okay. So, you get your tequila now. Pour it in the fucking glass here. And the measurement is 2 parts tequila and I think it's 3 parts juice. So here we go. There's our shot of fucking tequila. Put it in the shaker. Get the juice. And I'll put about 6 ounces of juice in there. And shaker. Cover on it. Make sure it's on tight. Shake this baby up.
replacing the glass. Okay, pour this in. There we go. Make sure you get it out. We don't want to waste none of this crap. Alright. Now, you got to get the grenadine, and I think you're supposed to like pour this down the side of the glass. And I think you're supposed to put in like about ½ ounce or an ounce of this fucking shit. So we'll try it. Put it down the side of the glass. And I'll try it a bit more. And there you go. It's a fucking tequila sunrise. Try it out. Yeah, it's pretty good. Pretty smooth. Alright. Okay. So, I'm going to tell you now, one of my favorite bands right now that I'm listening to, the band is called Sasquatch. Not Sam Squanch. And I think one of my favorite songs from them is called Dragonfly. So here you go. I'm going to play 15 seconds of it, and I'm going to call this part of the video, I'm going to call it 15 seconds of fuckery. Because if you like it, then it's like, oh geez, you only play 15 seconds of it. And if you don't like it, well, there's 15 seconds of your life that you won't get back. So here we go. So that was Dexter, the Dancing Chihuahua, and obviously he's a big fan of Sasquatch too. Now, every video that I'm going to make about the car and the engine, I'll do this little segment that's fucking sick, and I'll mix up a different cocktail, and I'll play a different song for you. And now, okay. Earlier I mentioned about the pistons. I know you can buy pistons from Tim Meyer, and a lot of people say that the ring end gap on those is really critical, and if you don't have the proper size you can end up with a lot of fucking grief because of the rings binding. And so if anybody got any information on where I could buy a set of flat top pistons, please leave a comment. Okay, so drink responsibly and be nice to each other, people.